Hey guys, it's Doc, and we're going to echo today because I'm out in the garage and I'm changing some air filters, and I'm going to let you know some of my results, or really over the past year, about the best air filter for your house. So hold on one sec. Hey guys, so over the past year I've done a bunch of testing on these filters, and for the money, I don't like to over filter my air. And I don't like to put excess restriction on my air filters, on my air system. But I am going to show you the filter that I think for the money is the best one, because you really should change these filters out really every 3 months. Some people say every month, some people say twice, but I like to do it every 3 months, and I'm going to show you why. First, let me go up the ladder here. Let's take a little walk up here. Hey, honey, let's watch Doc bust his butt. So it's always going to be about 200 degrees up here, and it's always going to be dark. But on your AC system, now mine is a weird size, and that's why I order mine through Amazon, because you can never find the right size and the type of filter. And if you find the right size, it's the wrong type of filter. So just go on Amazon and just use the link I'm going to put up on the website. Again, you have a little trap door usually right in here on most systems. There's usually some kind of little threaded bolt. And these things always get stuck in here. They're a pain in the butt, and you got to work your filter out. Now, I'm going to grab one of these old filters. This is kind of a generic stock one that, it's more of a commercial one. I'd never had really good results with these. And then you have the ones that sort of look like spaghetti material in here, and those are horrible. If you can see through it, it has that spaghetti weave, don't use those cheap filters. Step up a little bit, but you don't have to go crazy. So let's get the hell out of here. And let's, Step. I'm going to show you the difference in these two. This is a brand new one, and this is after 3 months. Now this is in the summertime. You can see that it's almost black, and a lot of that is pollen and mold and mildew, and that's quite a significant difference there. So these are the Filtrete, but there's a special kind that I get. This is a 3M Filtrete, but there's a special kind that I get that's not too expensive, but does a really good job. It's the pleated version with the wire mesh, and I'll put a link up on the website, but I want you to see that versus that. Pretty amazing. Hey guys, and real quick, on the link that I'm gonna put up through Amazon, when you go to that link, you're going to see a size with a little arrow thing, and so you can click on that sizing and you can roll up and down and search all the sizes on there. Also, I think you can get a single filter, a 2-pack, 4-pack, 6-pack, and they also let you subscribe if you want to have them shipped. So there's a bunch of different options on there when you go to that link and you go to that page. Just a couple quick tips, not really safety tips, but more so just practical sense kind of stuff. Turn your AC system off, not really, yeah, I guess so you don't get shocked. But you don't want to be fighting that airflow. When you pull the filter out and put it in, it's gonna be a lot of airflow, and you won't be able to get that filter in. So make sure your AC system is off. Number 2, do this early in the morning if possible, because it's gonna be a lot cooler up there. If you have to get up there and crawl around, I mean, it can easily be in the 200s as far as temperature goes, and you can pass out up there, and you will die. So make sure that you do it early in the morning, and preferably when someone else is home, unlike me. So again, just a quick little note, reminder for you, replace your filters, try and do it every 3 months. I'm gonna put a link up to these filters because they're, for the money, they're the best ones that I have. They don't put a super drag on your air system. They don't restrict the airflow. I see no difference in the airflow, but at the same time, when I pull these, when you get that spaghetti mesh sort of blue cheap ones that you can see through, if you hold them up to the light you can see through, do not use those filters. Use these filters right here, these pleated ones. Every time I pull these out, they're almost black solid, just from regular mold, mildew, and pollen. The spaghetti ones, they never turn that color. Use these filters, they're awesome. That's it, I just wanted to share that little tip with you. Hit that subscribe button. Oh, and by the way, if you didn't know, the new organic fertilizer video is out on the website. It's sold out in 48 hours. Sorry guys, I told you. But I did send an email to the product manager for that company and said, hey dude, what's going on? He said, we are shipping out more. They're shipping a couple thousand more bags out to Amazon. So it is available. Talk to you later. Doc.